Okay, so you can see that the strap has a distinctive kink in it, right where it connects, or the wire has a distinctive kink in it, right where it connects to the strap. And if you have any play in it right there, then you have a disconnect. So basically, I can pull on it a little bit, and it'll give. So that means basically the strap's disconnected. And so what I've done is I took a razor knife just to confirm, and so I'm going to disconnect it, clean out the rivet hole, and then resolder it.